And look at Tommy, and Tommy do like this. I do. Oh my God! You know what I did? Hi guys, welcome to my mukbang. It's MaryAnn here. Thank you for coming back. And this mukbang, guys, ano lang guys, I'm just gonna cook, you know, Filipino dish, pork sinigang. Anyway guys, so I'm just gonna do mukbang thing. I'm just gonna show you how I cook my thing, guys. Okay, I just wanna show you. I'm gonna put oil because I want to fry the pork. So, iba-brown ko lang siya. What I have right here, guys, is the taro root and the tomato and the onion and then the spinach and then pork, and that's all. And I try to look for okra, guys, and the string beans. I cannot find it. Maliit lang siya, guys. I'm not making a lot, you know. I'm not making too much. I'm gonna add brown pepper. I need this to be brown a little bit more. Brown a little bit. So now it's time for me to add water. So you guys, I will be right back. I just want this to boil maybe mga 20 to 30 minutes. Kunin ko lang ito, guys, itong mga nakalabas na mga puti-puti nito. I'm just gonna get all this white stuff coming out from the meat. And yeah, so I'm just gonna clear it up. I'm going to add the onion. Onion, guys. I don't have a white onion, so I put the red onion. Purple, actually, it's not red. So then tomato, you know, tomato, si tomato, guys. I'm just gonna leave it here for a few minutes and let it boil another, you know, let it cook. Guys, if you are making soup and if you add tomato, the tomato is help tenderize the meat. That's what it is. So that's why I put the tomato now. I decided to put the taro root that it will cook and then make the juice. It helps the juice, the taro meat or the taro root. It helps the soup kinda creamy. Let this boil for a few minutes and I will be right back. I'm going to add salt to taste. I know I put salt before, but I'm gonna add because I add water, so I want to add more salt in it. Not a lot, but just very little. So guys, I'm gonna add this. I'm going to add this powder now, and yeah, so it's not the whole pack. I'm just gonna put very little because, well, actually, it's until here, guys. Look, right here. I don't make a lot anyway, so that's why I don't add more. I don't add the whole pack. So, yun lang siya. Okay, so I want to show you what I have here. So I have this pork sinigang and of course rice, and it's not absent, guys, always present the dipping sauce with chili at saka yung water ko and my fork and spoon, and I'm using this bowl. I'm not using a plate. I'm using this bowl. Welcome to my channel and thank you for coming back for my mukbang. And yeah, so I'm gonna dig in because it's already 12 something o'clock and I'm just finished, you know, doing this thing. So kain tayo. Rice. Ito yung pork ko. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Tinitest ko siya kanina. Sobrang sarap. As in, sarap niya. So sarap talaga niya. So, itatry ko tong taro root, yung ano, yung gabi. Kasi it's been a long time, honestly, that I haven't eaten gabi. Yeah. So I also, guys, I was looking also for, I was also looking, you know, okra, but I cannot find it. So ito lang. Sobrang sarap niya, guys, as in. So tasty. Yun lang siya, pero grabe ka tasty. Yung gabi na taste ko, guys, yung taro root, oh sarap. So creamy. I miss this. The dog is coming. The dogs are coming. Oh my god, yung taro, yung gabi ba? Sarap. I'm doing this because I'm the only one eating this anyway, so I can just do like this. Sarap. Yung oil, guys, yung nagpa-fry ko kanina, there's a little oil on the juice and I like it. So i-dip ko lang itong meat na to. Sarap. If you're cooking a lot, maybe you can put the whole pack of the powder mix, the sinigang mix. The pork is so tender. It's so good. Yung spinach. I wanna get another pork. Oh my god. Honestly, guys, it's no kidding. It's really good. I made this time really good, guys. It's really good. The taro root, it helps. It helps, guys. It really does help with the sinigang. I'm not worried about my lipstick because the lipstick that I'm using right now is the Provocalypse one that it won't budge or it won't take off. Anyway, it's a really good idea, guys, that it's a good idea that when you're making a sinigang, pork sinigang, or any kind of sinigang, that you fry or you brown up the outer part of the meat that you are cooking. It's really good. I need another taro meat. Taro root. Gabi ba? Gabi, taro-taro pa eh. The dogs are hungry. Didn't eat their breakfast. So good. Sad thing, I don't have a lot of vegetables. Itong spicy sauce, nakakaloka. I tried to convince Tommy to eat with me, but guys, I know him. No matter how much I tried to convince him to, you know, to do mukbang with me, he won't do it. Even if I cry. It's so tender. Yung spicy sauce talaga. This is really good in winter. Hindi siya masyadong grabe na yung pagkaasim niya. No, it's not really that sour. Because usually you do when you cook sinigang, usually you put the whole pack of sinigang mix and you end up like have a really soury soup. This one have it mixed. It's so good. It's delicious. Honestly guys, I'm not lying. It's so delicious. This is the first ever time that I made sinigang that it's really that good. I have my water here. Oh my god. Busog na ako guys. I'm full already. This is not good. I get full quick. But you know, if I wanna eat, I eat. I get full so quick. Oh my god. The taro root is just like falling apart. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm gonna do? Dip. Sarap. I don't have any topping today guys, I just eat in front of you. So good. The meat on the bone, it's really just, even you just bite it, it's fall apart. Look, so quick, so easy. You don't have to like that. Grabe sarap. I'm sorry guys if I don't have a interesting topic. I just sit down and eat, and no topic that I can, you know, tell you. Tomorrow is Monday. So good. You know what? I'm going to put the meat on the juice. It's not because the meat is not so tasty. It's just I'm addict of spicy guys. I'm addict with the sauce that is like vinegar and chili, and it's just so addictive, you know. People said also that while you're eating, don't drink water. I'm thirsty. I'm going to drink water because I'm thirsty. It makes you full so quick. Oh no, I understand that. But I'm thirsty. Okay. Huwag tayong magpakimik-kimi. Kimiro. My mother-in-law would love this. For sure. I will probably put juice in the dog food that they will eat. Let's see if they will like it. Hubs is getting bad. He really is getting bad. He doesn't listen anymore. The only problem guys when you're eating after this one, you're kind of sleepy. And the same thing with Tommy guys. Tommy, especially when he's driving, I don't want him to eat. I'm so mean because every time he drive, for example, we drive before, we keep driving, like Tommy liked driving, and before, you know, long time ago, we kind of just like drive, drive somewhere and go to his work. We go drive to his work to New Jersey sometimes, because sometimes a long time ago he has work in New Jersey, and I drive with him to pay attention to him because sometimes he fall asleep and he get home late at night. And so what happened was, I don't vlog those days, guys. Well, I do. You see on my late, long time ago video, probably you can see driving in New Jersey. We always stop in the rest area, and always in the rest area in New Jersey there's a lot of different kind of food: Burger King, Popeyes, KFC, anything, burritos, pizza, and we pick up food, tons of food for driving. And that's the only problem. I keep telling him, I noticed him that after eating, guys, he kind of fall asleep while driving, and then I always told him, "Hon, you cannot eat." And then I make sure all the time that I bring some chocolate or a sweet, not just chocolate, any kind of sweet snacks. And we almost have an accident in Jersey Turnpike. We almost have, guys. It's really so scary. When he is sleeping in the car, when he falls asleep, it's not like sleeping like this, but when he falls asleep like this, like that, when he falls asleep, the argument, guys, it's intense. It's like the argument that we do is crazy. It's crazy, because I argue with him. I go fight, just to make him awake, and then it get worse and get worse. No, we don't have an accident. Almost got an accident, guys. Turnpike, there's a lot of cars, big trucks and stuff like that. So we kind of like the big trucks over here and Tommy's right here. So we kind of like the same route. And then Tommy fall asleep, and then I kind of like filming somewhere, or not filming. I kind of looking in the other side, and then I see the car going to the truck, the big truck, the huge truck, the delivery big huge truck. It going to the train, and it's speed is really fast. So when I look at Tommy, and Tommy do like this, oh my god, you know what I did? Yell at him, Tommy! Like, I yelled at him, and just to make him awake. And he get mad at me, but he get mad at me by yelling at him. Because if I don't yell, if I don't do anything, if I just do like, Tommy, wake up, I'm just gonna do like that. What the heck? We're already dead. We already died if I do that. So I just kind of like, I yell. And you know me. You see in my previous vlog that I always like, Tommy! I'm so yellful. I have my own word again, yellful. I'll yell, and to make his nerve, like awake, and he get used to it. And believe me, that day I just so pissed, yeah, so mad at him. Like I cannot. Why don't we go stop and look for a parking lot that we can stop, and then you can close your eyes? And he said, no, I'm fine, and then that's what happened, because we eat a lot of Popeyes. After eating a lot of Popeyes, he fall asleep. What is this, baboy? I know, guys, I'm done. Yeah, so I'm full already. I'm done, and there's a lot of leftover for tomorrow. So yun ang nangyari, guys. That's what happened. That's why I don't want to eat in the car anymore with him, because we end up both sleepy, and the scary part is his driving. So anyway, guys, that's really it. I'm done. And this sinigang, it's really good. Oh my god, how much more? The leftover is always good. You know why? Because all the flavors soak into the meat, and the vegetables and everything is so good. So this is really good for tomorrow too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And please give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like upload mukbang every once a week. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And so anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next mukbang, or I will see you tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.